Hello and welcome back to HVAC Tech Talk with Chad. Today we're going to be doing a combustion test on a Lennox 80% atmospheric vent furnace. So I'm using my UEI C127 Eagle combustion analyzing machine. I like using this along with my E-instruments and my Bacharach. Most of the time I'll bring both. I'll bring two different instruments to ensure that I have proper readings. But as you see, when you turn it on, the oxygen's at 20.9. That's the free oxygen in the air everywhere. So that's when you know your machine is calibrated. What I'm going to do right now is a temperature rise. On the inside of this panel, there's a metal plate where the manufacturer gives you all of the recommendations of where they want the parameters to be. On the temperature rise for this furnace, the temperature rises between 70 and 100 degrees. So I've hooked up my thermistors. I will turn my machine to temperature. It'll give me a T1 and a T2 and a delta T. So here's my thermistor for my supply. My return's already in. I've made my hole with this little poker, and I will put this up into the supply. The furnace has been running for a few minutes, so it's at steady state. And we want to be somewhere between 70 and 100 degrees on our temperature rise or our delta T. Right now we're at 74, 76. This is how you know whether you need to turn up the blower motor or leave it where it's at or possibly turn it down. You don't want to be below 70 and you don't want to be above 100. Looks like it's settled out. I'll get my printer and I will print my temperature rise as part of my test. And here's my printer. This isn't one of the newer machines. In the last few years, they've come out with actual printers that print hard copies. This printer here needs to, this copy needs to be signed by the homeowner. We'll put the appliance model and serial and all the pertinent information on it. So the printer comes out and it tells us exactly what we wanted. It's February the 4th, 2016 at 12:08, 14 seconds p.m. Our delta T is 92.9. It's really right where we want it. Our supply heat, air going out is 144.9 or 145 degrees, and our return is 52 degrees. So I will put in the customer's name, have them sign it. The appliance is a Lennox. I'll put the model and serial number here, and this will be part of our report that we give to the customer and that we put at our office for information. Thank you. We'll be doing a combustion analysis here in just a moment. Welcome back for that.